What about you, right? It's more video. It's of the Pacific Lock company. It's a 100G padlock. It's a 5-pin padlock, or Pacific Lock, or PacLock as some people call them. There's a key for it. There's a pin on the key. US Set, did I say it? US, it's key retaining, as all US Set locks are. No spring in the shackle. It's like, oh, look at that, flung that away there. Try and get it picked. I got this lock and it gave me real trouble. I seen boys picking it and they were picking it a gift. It gave me real trouble when I first got it. I got it, I don't know, I've had it for years, like, but we'll see if we can do any better this time. Right, here we go. So, pin 5, nothing, springy. Pin 4, springy. Pin 3, springy. Pin 2, we click on it. Or sorry, was that pin 1? Pin 1, maybe it was, we click on it there. Back. Right, pin 5 is springy. Pin 4, we've got a wee turn in the plug. Pin 3, he feels pretty set, like. Sorry, that was pin 2. I'm getting mixed up here in the pins. No, it's this pick, you see, I'm not used to this pick. Right, we got a wee clicker on pin 5, I think it was. We're getting a wee bit of counter rotation on pin 4 and a wee click as well. A bit of counter rotation on 3. A bit of counter rotation on 1, but I lost the false. Maybe the worst set him, did I? See in a minute. That's 5 and 4 springier. 3 got the false set back. 2. Right. 5 springy. 4. 4 we'll get on properly. Got a wee click out of 4. Pin 1 we're on, I haven't got a main attention wrench. Seems set. 5. 4, we got a counter rotation there. We click. 2 wee clicks. Oh, a good bit of movement in the plug there. Hope you've seen it, did you? We're on pin, I think we're on pin 3. 2. Pin 1 feels set, and there's a one attention wrench. Back a lock again, pin 5. Pin 5. It's hard to say with the plug moving about, the way it moves about, the way I showed you in my master. Pin 4, we're getting a wee bit of counter rotation. And got the open. So, US Set PacLock, as you can see, or can you see, PacLock, and it's a 100G Pacific Lock company. Don't know what that wee code is. It's not a direct bidding code to the thing, to the key anyway, because it says, what does it say? It says 05354. That's definitely not the bidding on that key, so don't know. Anyway, busy buys. See you later for another one.